Right, quick video. Disco 3, Disco 4 windscreen wiper blades. And we're going to give it a little mini service to the wiper arms. And Tyler, he's done it on his Fiesta, haven't you, Tyler?
Yeah, a lot trickier though.
A lot trickier though. We've worked out how to do this, so Tyler's going to look good. Right, obviously, yeah, when you get a brand new car, it's lush. You've got a lovely clean windscreen. You've got nice wipers. But just because you're driving a used or you buy a used car, one of the first things you should always do when you buy a second-hand car, change the wiper blades. It's just, yeah. They get hard life, obviously, in the summer. They got all the heat on them, especially this black bit at the bottom gets spoiling hot. And then a few months later, you expect them to go over ice. So change your wipers. So we've got the wipers here. This is the part number. They're both the same. I like it when they're both the same. It makes it easier. There you go. There's the part number. Genuine Land Rover items. Right then, Tyler. So, go on then, Tyler. You slide in there, Al. So, the first thing you've got to do is there's a little plastic cap here, and it's got a little arrow on it, if my camera will zoom. And although it's a bit misleading, it sort of flicks up, doesn't it? Again, it's like a little door. It's like a little secret hatch. And what that allows you to do then is just to grab the wiper, and then you thrust it inwards, Tyler, in towards the arm. Right, now put them. I'll have a look at that. But when you take it off, always lie it back where you've taken it off, so that when you get the new one, you can get it round the right way. But basically, you've got that little cap's there, and it just hooks over that central bit there. So just check everything is okay on your arm. Careful when you put it on the glass, not to damage the glass, because it will tap on the glass, which is not ideal.
I've got a spring in it.
Yeah. Also, when you're doing it, make sure that you have got the spring action. It don't do this, but it should have quite a solid spring action. And one thing we're going to do, we'll do it on the other side, where you can see, is we're going to lubricate this joint. Right then, Tyler, get your newbie one. Get him the same orientation. Oh, he's totally different.
Totally different.
Right. Oh, they funked that up a load, haven't they? But we reckon we can do this, don't we, Tyler? Yeah. Oh, that's it. Nice. But now it doesn't cover my rusty bit of arm, does it? No, but they've gone all super fly tech with those, haven't they? They look good though, don't they? How are we gonna cover that black bit there, Tyler? Colour it in. Or we'll have a look. We might do something with that. We might get some worth paint out on that. Right then. Anyway, that's another video. Right, grab the other one, Tyler. Let's have a go. And then don't ask where the Defender is, Tyler? Don't. All I'm saying is it's stuck at a dealership.
It's not here.
It's not here, and it's not running. The activity key didn't work out quite as intended. Right then. There we go. And then you, obviously another funky one. Let's have a look which way you got that again.
Is that the right way?
No, I think the whole wants to be yeah, like that. That arm just fits in. Look at that. Go on, give us a wash wipe, Tyler. Let's have a happy ending to this one, shall we? I'll get in trouble soon. Oh, look at that. Smear free. Oh, right, let's just get a bit of white grease, Tyler, on that, on those arms. Let's have a little look here. Right, so we just got some white grease. Yeah, you want it around that pivot point there. A bit more. Go on. Oh, that's all there because you're not holding the can up right, Tyler. We're at the. You might have to do something like. that. Oh, there you go.
That's what it's for.
Right, so give it a work and then clean all the excess off. Try to do it without getting it on your windscreen. It's just our can's half empty. So there you go. Just make sure. And that just allows the spring to do full effect. There we go. Wiper arms. Really not that difficult, but worth doing. Order some, get them done. Don't leave it. Yeah, just so you can see, this is the typical failure you get with the wiper blades. They lose their mojo and they split. So yeah, well worth doing that. Good luck with that.